us through which sectors saw the most amount of buying? I was just mentioning rate sensitives. Does that top the list as well?
You know, Sonia, we had done this analysis last month as well, that FIIs are back but with a rider. But now it's broadening, and as is the market rally. So let me go to the wall and just explain through the numbers, because what was interesting was that this was the second week or second consecutive fortnight of FII buying. And what that means is since November 2022, it's first instance of back-to-back buying by FIIs in two fortnights. Now, the net buy number is slightly muted, and I'll come to that. It's 2,864 crores of buying in the period that we're talking about is April 16 to 30. But keep in mind, that's impacted by 5,900 crores of selling in IT. And we all know that why that happened. Let's in fact go through the sector-wise numbers. And what I've done is I've taken both the fortnights. Now, look at financial services. The momentum is intact. 4,400 crores in first fortnight, 3,280 crores in second fortnight. But this is where it gets really interesting. Capital goods from 924 to 1,747. Autos, I think the most phenomenal sector in the market right now is autos. 1,259 crores of buying in the first fortnight, 728 crores in second fortnight. FMCG, from 348 crores, gone up to 802 crores. Even oil and gas, where previous fortnight you had seen selling of 560 crores, it's actually gone up to a buy of 936 crores. But just look at that last spoiler. 1,002 crores of buying in the previous fortnight, 5,900 crores of selling in IT sector. And last time when we had done this analysis, we found that only two stocks, HDFC and HDFC Bank, had accounted for bulk of FI flows. No longer the case. Look at some of the stocks where we have seen some decent rally. Larsen and Toubro, for example. And again, I mean, this is fortnight 16 to 30. What happened over the last couple of days, we'll find out with the data later. But in that period, Larsen gained 7%. And it saw delivery volume of 1.35 crore shares, which translates into delivery buying of almost 3,000 crores. Roughly 1,000 crores would have been from the FIIs. But the stock that really stood out in that period was Kotak Mahindra Bank. And it's made a big comeback, 5% up in that period, and delivery buying of almost 4,000 crores in Kotak. Again, you can roughly arrive at 2,000 crores of buying or so in Kotak by FIIs. Reliance made a big comeback, though up only 3%, but 3% for Reliance means a lot of contribution to the Nifty. And delivery volumes in Reliance were huge, almost 6,000 crores. And lastly, of course, the culprit. And I tell you what, this is an eye-popping number. Infosys, which has the highest FII holding in IT stocks, was down 10% in this period. Of course, it came out with numbers in that period. It saw delivery volume of 27,800 crores. It tells you where that sell number from FIIs came in. But X of that, the market has broadened and the FII buying has broadened as well. It's really getting into more and more stocks. And I tell you what, the data for this fortnight would actually be even more revealing, and it would tell you that the market rally has broadened and so has the FII buying.
Okay, the market rally has broadened and so has the FII buying.